Alright guys, I'm sitting in my car with the AC on and you hear that vibrating? That is due to a bad motor mount, and in this particular case it's actually a transmission mount, but the motor and the transmission are connected, so it's basically the same thing. But what happens is you get a lot of extra vibration because the isolation that you get from the dampening from the rubber and the motor mount is gone, and so now when the AC is on and the motor goes a little bit faster to take on that load, everything vibrates. You can kind of hear it changing there. So what we're going to do today is we're going to change out that transmission mount, and I'm going to let you watch. Stay tuned. Okay, it's finally time to go ahead and change out that transmission mount. This particular one is underneath the air filter houser. So we're going to have to take that out and then remove the bottom engine cover to access the bolts on the underside of that mount. So we're going to replace the old with this new one here. And when it came, it didn't have the little gaskets on either side, so I had to make my own, which is fine. I don't mind. Just cut out some rubber and put them on there. So I'm gonna go on upstairs and change clothes, get dirty clothes on, and get underneath there and change out this mount, and you guys can watch. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and take this loose. This is how you take the air box off. With some clips. And then there's a 10mm bolt on this hose clamp. That's how I do it. I just take it loose right from the throttle body. I don't mess around with this connection here. Just leave it and take the cable down. Give it a wiggle. That shit comes right off. There we go. And take this out of the way. Canyon air filter. Clean that up too while I'm out. Re-oil it, wash it out. And then here there's two 12mm, actually there's three, but one of mine broke. There's only three. Take these two 12mm bolts out, and you can get underneath with a couple of wiring harness. Get a screwdriver. That is the easiest way to take this loose. You just pry gently toward you and it comes right off. And you probably want to see that. I'm kind of in a hurry. Let's just get this done. I've got another car to do. I got to do a wheel bearing too today. Alright, that just comes right out. Let's just see what that looks like. Take a peek in there and see what it looks like, right? Like so. So this is the motor mount that's in there currently, and the little, oh, it actually does have those. I didn't know it had those. Oh well, I made those other ones for nothing. But it is rattling, so I think the interior is cracked. So we'll see when we get it loose. So the mount is held on by 4 bolts. There's one over here on the side of the bottom right here. There's one on this bracket, and then there's 2 over here on the side, and those 2, let me focus it, here we go. Those 2 you access from underneath. So I'll show you that now. So you go down, 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 and then that is why I took the bottom cover off, so that we can access those 2 right there, right in the center of the view. Okay, so we have to access those 2 from the bottom. And when you do that, you want to support your transmission, so when you take the mount loose, it doesn't fall. All right, so back up on. Okay, so I got you guys set up right inside the engine compartment here, so you can see which bolts I take loose. So on the top side, taking this loose, and there were 2 others Take this one here loose, which is a 12 millimeter, and then the other end is 14. This here is 14. I believe the bottom two are also 14. But we'll see when we get down there. And that's where we're going right now. Down we go. All right, so yeah, these two, I just checked them, these two are 14 millimeter too on the bottom. So, take those loose. Our trusty Ingersoll wrench. And now that motor mount should come out. So let's go back up to the top and see if we can kick it out. Alright, let's see if I can get it out. I might need to lower the transmission a little bit. Oh, snap. You have to take the center bolt out. Okay, and I think that's 14 millimeter too. So, I'll just let you see me start to take, oh, it's not 14. Ooh, what is it? Let's see here. Oh, it's 17. We got a big boy on there. 17 it is, okay. So, we begin. There she is, she loosened up. Okay, I won't make you watch this whole process. Next thing you know, the bolt will be out, and we'll be taking out but you know what? It's almost out. So maybe I'll just make you suffer through this portion. Why stop it and cut it and make you miss out on all this excitement here. See if I can. Yeah, it is a little bit. I probably will cut this out. It's taking too long. Nobody wants to watch your wrench. I'll let you just watch this part right here. Ta-da! Alright, and there, it comes out quite easily. Beautiful. So there we go. And yeah, it's all cracked. It's, where is it? See, it's all cracked in here. Here. Take these off, I can reuse these. And, alright, so let's get on. Should just go right in. That came right out, huh? Yeah, it does. Piece of cake. You know what I'm gonna do? I think I'm gonna try to help myself out here, and I'm gonna use my little grommets, or whatever you call those things, on the sides, and I'm also gonna use the originals. Put these back on too, because only vibrations, any noise, anything like that. I think that's part of what the problem was. Something touching. I don't know what was right here. Yeah, I think. No, I don't want that noise. Put this back on. See if I can get this lined up, and put the other 3-4 bolts back in, and this will be a done deal. Try to shorten this up for you as much as possible, but it's pretty painless. So get the hole lined up, and get this started. I'm gonna have to lift up on this. There we go. Much better. Tighten that up real good, and then we can put the rest of those bolts back in. I think I'm gonna leave this kind of loose until all bolts are in, and then start tightening them up gradually so that I have a little bit of wiggle movement to so that transmission needs to come up. So that's why I put the jack under it. So make that come up a little bit. Let's come up a little more. And there we go, perfect. Get all these holes to line up. I think it looks like I should probably do the bottom ones first. Get those to line up and then do the others. So let's go down and do that. And now you got these two in. We can tighten them up as well. So now I'm going to do this this other one over here. Get it in nice and loose. And let me see if I can check that up a little bit. That goes. That is a 14. Stitching. See if that will actually. If that's actually in. I want it cross threading. And it looks like it's in. Very nice, very nice. Alright, so that's good. Now I'm going to loosely, well, you know what, I don't even need to because this little bracket here is slotted on one end. See that? It has a slot. So there's built-in play. So I don't need to, I can tighten everything up and then put that on. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm tightening up these 14s, tighten up the center bolt, which is a 17. Good and tight. And then I will put the little brace on. Tighten it up. It has a 12 and a 14. And that should do it. 17 tight. And then we will do the brace. And that'll be it. Put the air filter back on, the bottom cover back on, and the reason the tires are off, if you happen to see that in the background, was I'm rotating the tires at the same time. But it really has nothing to do with this job. It's not necessary to take off the wheels. Next job. Put in that bottom 14, like so. I'll leave that loose. I'll leave it loose, and then I'll do this top 12. See how it's slotted, just moves like that quite a bit. So that's why I tightened everything else up. I knew I had play in the design of that brace. Next, tighten up the 14 and the 12. I'm going to tighten up the 12 first, and then bottom 14. And that's it. That is how you change a transmission mount. The left side, in the US that is the driver's side. Hopefully I don't have any more vibration and shit. Noise and vibration. It's quiet. Okay, I'm back in the car. Once again, I have my AC on, as you can see here. But no more buzzing and rattling. And I love it. Much better. I mean, you can hear the motor, but you don't hear that vibrating. So anyway, hear a little vibrating down there. But anyway, that's how you change a transmission mount on the left side of the 1994 7AFE Toyota Corolla. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.